Hey there, property owners. Have you ever asked yourself, what is landlord insurance? Well, let's dive in and find out. Landlord insurance covers property damage from things like fire, storms, or even vandalism. But it doesn't stop there. It also includes liability coverage. So that means if a tenant or visitor gets hurt on your property, you're covered. Think about it. If you're trying to build passive income through rentals, you want to protect that investment, right? If you own a rental property, this type of insurance is your safety net. And if you're worried about rental income loss, here's a little bonus. If your property becomes uninhabitable due to a covered loss, landlord insurance can help cover the lost rental income. You won't have to worry about missing out on the rent payments while repairs are happening. So when you're out there shopping for landlord insurance, take the time to compare policies. It's essential for keeping your investment secure and ensuring you're ready for whatever life throws your way. You've worked hard for that property. Protect it. It's all about peace of mind for you and your tenants. See you next time.